Good afternoon. What a difference a day makes. We've been basking in sunshine for much of the week, and as a result of the high temperatures we've seen, it does look as if February will beat the all-time record, becoming the warmest February on record, but we'll confirm that. The reason being, not just the warm air, but very dry air has been seeping up across the UK this week. In fact, for parts of last week as well. But the difference today is that the air has been coming in off the Atlantic. It's not as warm, the air, but it's still mild out there. The difference is coming over the ocean. It's picking up moisture, and we've had rain and a lot of cloud. As you can see, this was the picture earlier in the day. So temperatures aren't as high. They're still above average, 9 to 13 degrees Celsius. But with it, we've got all that cloud and some patchy rain in the south. And for northern areas, we have quite a bit of fog. Now that fog will return through this evening and overnight. At the same time, the rain will ease away from southern parts of England and Wales, but with the fog filling in the gaps and still a lot of cloud around, it's not going to be as cold as it has been. So Friday starts on a less chilly note, but equally probably quite a grey one with some mist and fog around, some fairly dense fog, which will take a time to clear. But once it does look like a drier day, a brighter day with some sunshine working its way through the cloud. There'll still be some fair weather cloud around. Temperatures will still be above average, but this is the difference later in the day. We've got more cloud, rain and wind pushing into Northern Ireland, and that's ahead of the next spell of wet and windy weather, which sets us up for a fairly unsettled weekend, actually, considering what we've enjoyed this week. This is to say the weather front on Friday whisks its way through. Saturday's a developing low pressure system, so this also gives a concern for very strong winds, windier weather on Saturday than we've had for some time, even severe gales over the hills of Scotland. So a real soaking for many western and central areas. It may take much of the day for the rain to reach eastern parts of England, and it's still mild. Temperatures higher, if anything, at 14 or 15 on Saturday. We blow that weather system out the way for most parts, but it does hang around in the south. There's some uncertainty as to how far north it's going to push the rain on Sunday. At this stage, it looks like it's a rainy spell for the southern half of the UK. Further north, sunshine and showers. Still relatively mild, but much more unsettled this weekend. The warnings are on the website.